In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Chrome default zoom. If websites often look too small or too large when you open them in Google Chrome, adjusting the default zoom can make browsing much more comfortable. This setting changes how large web pages appear by default, so you don't have to manually zoom in or out as often on each site. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure Chrome is fully open so you can access the browser controls and settings menu. Once Chrome is open, move to the top right corner of the window and click the More icon, which looks like three vertical dots. This opens Chrome's main menu where you can find browser options, tools, and settings. From that menu, click Settings near the bottom. This will open Chrome's settings page in a new tab. The settings area is where you can customize how Chrome looks and behaves, including visual display options like zoom. When the settings page opens, look to the left-hand sidebar and select Appearance. This section controls the way Chrome displays content and interface elements, so it's the right place to adjust how pages appear on screen. In the Appearance section, find the option labeled Page Zoom. Next to it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click that menu to view the available zoom percentages. These percentages determine the default size of content on websites. For example, a lower percentage makes pages appear smaller, while a higher percentage makes text and images appear larger. Now choose your preferred percentage from the list. As soon as you select it, Chrome updates the default zoom setting automatically, so there's no save button to press. This means future pages you open will use that zoom level by default. If you want a balanced starting point, 100% is the standard default size. If you prefer larger text and easier readability, you might choose something above that, such as 110 or 125%. If you like fitting more content on the screen at once, a lower percentage may work better for you. Keep in mind that some websites may still remember custom zoom levels if you change them manually before, but this setting controls Chrome's general default behavior moving forward. And that's all it takes to change Chrome's default zoom. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make a big difference in everyday browsing, especially if you spend a lot of time reading or working online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.